Continuing with score, 1989 score, Rack Pack box. We just finished two videos, one rack pack each, from our 1988 score Rack Pack box. Pulled some good cards. Be sure to check out those two videos. Let's do it again with 89. Two videos, one rack pack in each video. What are we looking for real quick in terms of rookies for 89 score? Big one's going to be that Craig Biggio at $4, followed by Randy Johnson at $3. We've got John Smoltz and Gary Sheffield at $1.50 apiece. Biggio, Johnson, and Smoltz all made the Hall of Fame in 2015. And finally, Brady Anderson at 40 cents. You get a Young Superstars Series 1 glossy card in every rack pack. So we'll be looking for that Gary Sheffield coming in at $5. And then a bunch coming in at $1. Greg Maddux at $2. There are some error cards where corrected cards were made. Got the George Brett base card. Got the Roger Clemens base card. And let's see what else we got. Got the Paul Gibson and got the Wade Boggs highlight card. So we'll be sure to check for those. Box is smaller for 89 score, but the packs are just as long. And you get 48 cards in an 89 score rack pack as opposed to 54 in 1988. So what's that? Down 6 cards? Something like that. 89 score is a bit partial to me. My grandparents bought me my first complete factory set, and that was of 1989 score. Still have that set. And it's funny, my Ellis Burks card, I'm guessing maybe it was my brother's, put little pinholes in where his eyes were for the back of the card. So that card has been replaced with a copy that does not have pinholes in place of his eyes. But cards are looking great. Let's go ahead and take a look. These cards are packaged the same way that 88 score was. Color-coded. See green, then blue. What's that? Like a purplish, orange, red. And that goes from lowest number to highest number. That's how they packaged them. We start out with Mel Hall. Beautiful cards, 89 score is. Matt Noakes, Butch Weiniger, Greg Gross. I almost seem to think, no, okay. Cecil Fielder. Very nice on the Cecil Fielder. And thankfully, we do not see any issues on the back. For the Magic Motion Trivia card, don't see any issues on this card either. Sometimes the Magic Motion Trivia cards leave their mark on the cards they're next to. 1989 score Magic Motion Trivia is a year to remember. 1958. West Coast starts play. First major league game played on the West Coast as the Dodgers move to Los Angeles and the Giants move to San Francisco. Good deal. Got Rick Aguilera, Jim Gantner, Greg Brock, Joey Meyer, Todd Benzinger, Keith Atherton, Jerry Royce, Eric King. Looks like we got a little bit of an ink issue down here. Dave Bergman. Oh, nice. We picked up the 1988 World Series card between the Los Angeles Dodgers and the Oakland Athletics. It looks like we've got Oral Hershiser, Kirk Gibson down here, Jose Canseco, and that appears to be Dave Stewart. Very cool card. American League champs, National League champs. We'd put this card on the stand, but it's the last one. But that's an awesome card there. I love getting that one. Second section, we start out with our 1989 score Young Superstars Series 1 glossy card. And this time it's of Alan Anderson. Very nice on that. Card number 34. I do not see him on my list, so that tells me puts it less than $1, but very cool on getting the Alan Anderson glossy. Second section got Gerald Perry, Bill Swift, Pete Incaviglia. Magic Motion trivia card. In the second section, a year to remember, 1965. Sandy sets heady pace. Talking about Sandy Koufax. Nice, we'll take it. Well, sounds like it's going to start raining. Got Rafael Santana, Jeff Robinson, Dennis Eckersley. Very nice on the Dennis Eckersley. We'll take that. Here comes the rain. Tim Belcher, Charles Hudson, Dale Mahorsek, Larry Parrish, Mark Davis, Mike Flanagan, 1989 rookie of Bill Brennan, 1989 rookie of Chad Kruder, and 1989 rookie of Dwight Smith. So very nice on the 89 rookie cards. We pulled the Dennis Eckersley card. Very nice. We'll take it. Nice long career for him. Great pitcher he was. And our Young Superstars glossy card went to Alan Anderson. Loving it. Well, quite some rain coming in. Third section gives us Big Mac. Nice. Mark McGwire. We'll take that for sure. Got Jesse Barfield, Rick Horton, Les Straker, Pete Stanachek. Our Magic Motion trivia card, a year to remember, 1972. Little Joe, Jolts AL, or American League, talking about Joe Morgan. We've got Bob Walk, Louis Polania, Ron Gant, Jeff Parrott, Mike Fitzgerald, Bobby Meacham, Jeff Sellers, Jeff Musselman, Dennis Rasmussen, and finally Steve Shields. So not bad in that third section. We pulled the Mark McGwire, very nice. We'll definitely take that card. And then, of course, our Young Superstars glossy. All right, folks, there you have it. 1989 score. 48 card rack pack from the box. Video 1 of 2, rack pack 1 of 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for supporting the channel. Stay safe and stay tuned.